Welcome to Beautyistic, where we give you the honest truth about the beauty tools and gadgets that really make a difference. Today, we're talking about a product that promises to elevate your oral care routine. Introducing the Demita Cordless Water Flosser. If you've ever struggled with keeping your teeth and gums healthy, especially if you have braces or other dental work, this might be exactly what you need. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and see if this portable electric flosser really delivers on its promises. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on a new review from Beautyistic. The Demita Cordless Water Flosser is designed to provide a powerful and efficient teeth cleaning experience. With a motor that delivers 1,400 to 1,800 pulses per minute and water pressure ranging from 30 to 120 psi, it's meant to remove up to 99.99% of food debris and plaque. Whether you have braces, implants, or any dental work, this water flosser is made to be gentle yet effective, helping you maintain a brighter smile and fresh breath. The water flosser comes with 5 interchangeable 360-degree rotatable jet tips. These tips include 2 classic jet tips, 1 splash-proof nozzle, 1 orthodontic tip, and 1 tongue cleaner. This variety ensures that the entire family can get their own personalized cleaning experience, whether it's a deep clean for your gums or extra care for sensitive teeth or braces. You're not stuck with one rigid cleaning mode either. The Demita Cordless Water Flosser offers 3 modes to choose from: gentle mode for sensitive teeth and gums, pulse mode for thorough cleaning in hard-to-reach areas, and the normal mode for daily use. This means you can tailor the experience to your specific needs. The 300-milliliter detachable water tank is perfect for longer cleaning sessions, so you won't have to stop midway to refill. And it's IPX7 waterproof, which means you don't have to worry about water damage, even if you're using it in the shower. The design is compact and portable, making it easy to travel with, and the powerful rechargeable battery offers up to 30 days of usage on just a 4-hour charge. After incorporating the Demita Cordless Water Flosser into my daily routine, I can confidently say that it's not only convenient, but also effective. It was incredibly easy to use, and I love that it had 3 different modes to cater to my sensitive gums. The water pressure is adjustable, so I didn't feel like I was being overwhelmed with too much force. It was perfect for my dental work and provided a thorough clean without irritation. Plus, the detachable water tank makes the cleaning process so much easier, and the fact that it's waterproof gave me peace of mind knowing I could safely use it in the shower. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros: powerful motor delivers up to 120 psi of water pressure. 3 customizable modes allow for a tailored experience. Multiple interchangeable tips make it great for the whole family. Portable, compact, and IPX7 waterproof, perfect for travel and use in wet environments. Long-lasting rechargeable battery with 30-day usage on just a 4-hour charge. Cons: the 300-milliliter water tank may require refilling for individuals with larger mouths or those who prefer longer sessions. The device does not come with an adapter, so you'll need to use your own USB charger. When it comes to value for money, the Demita Cordless Water Flosser offers an excellent return on investment. At its price point, you're getting a highly effective tool with customizable features that can meet the needs of a family. It might not be the cheapest water flosser on the market, but considering the quality and the convenience it brings, it's definitely worth the price. In terms of comparisons, if you're looking for a similarly priced product, there are a few other well-known water flossers like Waterpik and Philips Sonicare. However, what sets the Demita apart is its portability, waterproof capabilities, and variety of tips. It's perfect for people who need a customizable option for sensitive teeth or dental work. When it comes to build quality, the Demita Cordless Water Flosser feels solid in hand. It's made from durable materials, and the IPX7 waterproof feature adds extra durability for those who want to use it during shower time. The battery life is another win here, lasting up to 30 days on a single 4-hour charge. If you're someone who's in need of a more affordable option, there are other alternatives that can give you similar performance. But if you're looking for something portable and easy to use with a variety of features, the Demita is worth considering. So, does this water flosser live up to its promises? Absolutely. It's effective, versatile, and built to last. I would definitely recommend it to anyone looking to enhance their oral care routine, especially if you have braces or implants. Thank you for watching today's review. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you can stay updated on all things Beautyistic. You'll find the link to purchase the Demita Cordless Water Flosser in the comments below. And hey, if you've already used this product, drop a comment and share your experience with us. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.